Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're unboxing the Laurier Neptune version 3. I bought this watch used a while ago, finally getting around to unboxing it because I just, the previous video I just received in the Laurier Falcon, and I want to compare this to the Falcon and to the Traska Summiteer and the Traska Commuter before I ship out the Traska Commuter. So anyway, finally getting around to unboxing this one. I'll open the rest of this to the side here. Quite a big package here for a smaller watch box, but I guess that works. So let's see if we can zoom in here. A little bit close, but here we go. Yeah, very nice. Oh, I think this was an extra strap that he included with the sale here. I don't remember what I paid for this watch. It's been a while. All right, looks like a nice vintage style strap. I don't see any branding on it, but whatever. Looks like it comes with a little pouch here. That's cool, a little travel pouch. Something in here. Screwdriver for the bracelet. That leather smells nice. It's like a suede leather or something. I don't know, do you guys smell leather products? Yeah, this is a nice looking watch. $120 click bezel. A little bit of back play, but it feels fine. Nice size crown as well. Nice big crown, actually. I'll do all the measurements for the full presentation video. Just a quick little unboxing here today. I really do like the styling of this watch. It has a plexiglass crystal. I'm not really a fan of plexiglass. I'm always afraid of scratching it up. Yeah, I know you can polish it with polywatch or toothpaste or whatever, but I don't know. It does look cool though with this distortion on here. And folks have been using plexiglass crystals for a long time. I mean, it was on the moon watch, right? The Speedmaster. The watch went to the moon. Really do like this bracelet too. It feels great. Articulates very nicely. Yeah, very cool. It's a pretty plain case back there. It just has a little decoration around the perimeter of it. Solid end links, solid links, milled clasp, 3 micro adjust, and dual deployment pusher here. So really no need for a safety clasp with a system like this. Just push just one side, it won't come open. So yeah, very nice. Let's get this on wrist, my 6.5 inch wrist. Felt a little weird there. The clasp is smaller than what I'm used to. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist with a 52 millimeter wristband. Lug to lug on this is fairly long for the case diameter. I believe this is a 39. I don't know what the lug to lug is, but we'll measure all that in the full video. It does have female end links, so that is a big bonus in my mind. So let me know in the comments what you think of this watch. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.